Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are trimming glue with our WRD Stingray blades and handles and showing you the proper way to clean this pinch weld, because there are a lot of people out there, and I used to be one of them, that would trim first and then clean, because let's face it, it is so much easier to clean the pinch weld, especially right in this little cove, after you trim this away. The problem with that is if you trim this away first and then you spray your glass cleaner on it, yes, your glass cleaner, if you're using the manufacturer's cleaner like our Beta Clean here, or Spray Away for the most part, it is a safe glass cleaner, but you are still adding a contaminant to that nice fresh layer of urethane that you just trimmed away, that you are now going to be bonding to, and that can create a bonding issue, and we do not want that, because we do not want our bonding to fail between our new urethane and the old urethane. So if you come across a job and you can just grab a hold of the urethane and peel it off of the old, then that could be the problem. It could be something else, there's no telling. But anything you can do to help avoid bonding issues is safe, and we want everybody to be safe. So I'm going to take our Stingray blade here and push it in, give this a little nudge, and simply run this right along our headliner. You can see this has been done before. And the nice thing about these Stingray blades is you can run them right along there, and if you're careful, you won't dig into the headliner, you'll just trim it away. Also, if you have a job that you're cutting out and whoever did it before, or the factory pushed glue all the way up into this cove, this rounded edge here fits right inside that cove, and you can trim that glue away without digging into the paint job. Now, obviously, you can't always find the right angle to do damage on accident, but if you're paying attention, then should not be an issue. So looks like we lost some glue right there. So to trim that away, and continue to trim along the bottom here. Like so. And switch sides. Once again, I'm going to spray this before. Use our paintbrush here. We want to clean this all as good as we can. And if you're shooting the body, there is less of an issue of winding up with dirt on your glue line, because you're definitely following the old glue line and usually not too worried about missing it. But if you're like me and you shoot the glass on almost everything, you want to make sure that you get as much of this dirt out of here as possible, and get your pinch weld as clean as you possibly can anywhere near your glue line. So grab our Stingray blade again and just give this a nice even pressure. You're not pulling it real hard, because then you're going to break the glue. Just give it a nice even pressure and it'll help that lift away, making it easier for you to make that trim. Make sure you keep your blades sharp, because the harder you pull on those blades, if you slip, the risk of injury is far higher than if you have a sharp blade. Grab that guy and that guy. Some of this other garbage out of here. That is all trimmed up. We'll wrap up our tools, grab our rags and our glass cleaner, and we are ready to prime and set a piece of glass. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.